I'm going to be unboxing some things that I got from Shein. So let's see if it's what I ordered versus what I got. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting. I really appreciate that. I am not too happy about the views and stuff like that, but we give God the glory, okay? We are moving there gradually. So today we'll be doing unboxing, just like I said in the intro, and it's from Shein. I got a couple of things from Shein. We're going to go straight away into the unboxing. No time to waste. Something I ordered from Shein is this one for packing stuff. Because I make chin chin, I ordered this so that in case somebody, so I will sample it for people to buy. But I realized that it's too small. This is 10 by 3, very small. It's like I have a business, okay? I don't have a business. I just know how to make those things, so people buy it from me and I make it for them. So order your own, I'll make it for you too. Thank you. And this is the Shein. This is a big package that came in today, and to be honest, I'm beginning to wonder, like, why is this small like this? Because I know what I ordered from it and all that. So let's see. Code Abego. I'm wholesome, I'm kind, I'm brave. What is it? Not at all. Well, this is just like stickers for my daughter's room. So already wondering what it is. And the next one is this shoe that I ordered for myself. God, oh, the shoe is looking small. If I leave this up, it's making me dark. Shein people, please, what? Oh, this shoe, no, now it can't. This is 40 and I use 39. Please let me wear this shoe first. Oh, this is the shoe. This is the shoe here. What is it? Let me put the picture of the shoe. This is the shoe that I ordered. This is size 40. So this is how the shoe looks like. It's a not like a high heel, but a heel. It smells so rubber. I hope this shoe will not spoil immediately the way it's looking. Another shoe again. This is my daughter's shoe. Oh my God, did I order white? Oh Lord. What is this? Oh, this is beautiful. My daughter did not have any shoe that is here like this, so I bought her this one. If it's in Nigeria, she would have had it, but here now you will not even see the shoes. So this is the shoe I bought for my daughter. Again, picture. Pop. That's how the shoe looks like. Well, the picture is already there, so you can see it. I want her to learn how to start wearing heels. Well, this is the shoe that I got for my daughter. This clothes here, see the picture. Got her a dress. My little girl doesn't really have that's the Shein material. The thing is that the materials that Shein used to make their stuff is this kind of one that it will not worn out, if that makes sense. If you get things from Shein, is be rest assured that it will not worn out. This is the dress. It looks different here. This is the dress that I got for her. She's 5, but just that she's tall, so I got 7 years because I didn't want to risk it. It has this belt. It has one tiny belt here, and I also got her this dress. Picture. I got her this dress I so much love, and oops, this is the jacket for the dress. It's going to be a bit long, but I mean she will grow into it because this is like 7 years. I didn't want to risk that small clothes. I don't like returning stuff. And this is the dress. It's just like a shabby dress and it's green, so she will wear it with that jacket like you saw the picture. This one is already open. Why did they open it for me? Not daily wear clothes, contain coat and drawstrings. Please, we always use under adult. Look at that. Why would you put more clothes that you're giving so much instruction on it? But I mean, I like the fact that they give so much instruction so that you will know what to do. Is a, you know, all those dress that we have in Nigeria. Look at that. This is a dress. This is a jacket of the dress. It has like a jacket. It's red, so I'm becoming red, Abby. This is it. I don't know why I ordered her red, but yeah, she don't have any red clothes. It has this detailed on it, and a very lovely. It's a two-step. My baby is crying and coming. So is this princess dress? I love it. My son is coming. Mommy. Yeah, I'm recording video, son. Why? No, leave my mic for me. Say hello, everybody. Say hi. Go and get strawberry for me. Oh. Take it to the kitchen. Take.
And what does that say?
Take it to the kitchen. Thank you. Shut the door. And then I ordered this. This one is something for me. I will not tell you what it is, but God. The way the thing is looking now, I'm beginning to. Please, can you give him the strawberry? Go and get me one large strawberry and yum. Go. Take him, please. Take him. So this is it. Am I supposed to show you the front? Well, yeah. So this is it. That's the picture there that I ordered for my mommy pouch. So basically, it's just a pant. Yeah, it's new, so definitely if I show you, nothing is wrong with it. So this is how it is. It has a, like, you can adjust it. It's adjustable. It's adjustable, but the thing is that the thing is lenge. The thing is very lenge. Like, let's see. Okay, not bad. Looks like it's stretchy actually. Then lastly, who is ready for this shock? Lastly, sorry, you'll be hearing noise. I have to record this video because I lost the clip from the other one, so I have to record a new clip. But this is what shocked me. This is like a thank you message when someone orders something. Look at how it is. But it's very, very small. I wasn't expecting it to be this small. I am totally shocked. I'm very shocked about this one. But I mean, all the things are good. They're all good. I tried them on already because this is like 2 days later or so. I've tried everything on and they're all good. My daughter have already worn her shoes and everything. She was comfortable. And yes, that is it for this unboxing video. Let me know what is the thing that you like in this video that I unboxed, the things that you like. Sorry for this noise, my son is sitting here like I said again. I will see you all in my next video. Please watch my video and share them. Always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.